Beach games, I'm sure kasama ang handball, di ba?
Yes, beach handball, kasama yung
Beach
beach handball sa Asian Beach Games. Actually, excited na kami for that. But syempre, one year at a time, one competition.
Pero build up na rin to, di ba?
Build up to for that. Of course, the ultimate goal, since we are hosting, is to get the ultimate prize, which is the gold for both men and women. So, both men and women in Cebu for 2028. So that is our looking ahead of that from now.
Okay. Coach AA, yun na lang training ng mga ng team natin for this world. Kumusta po, Sharaz?
So, 2 weeks to go na lang po before kami umalis for World Championship. So, yung training po namin ngayon is medyo mas gumaganda na siya talaga. So yung system coach ng mga coaches sa amin, more on adjustments. So, yung chemistry pa namin, mas mag-build pa namin. And yung flow pa namin from offense to defense. So, yung team talaga. So, ngayon, we're doing great po talaga. So, yung challenge, yung magandang training namin, hindi lang doon sa program ng mga coaches, kundi yung mga tulong sa amin ng mga men's team. Kasi right now, ang kalaban namin palagi is yung men's team. Yes. Kasi wala naman po kami mga kalaban na yung mas malakas na girls foot or women's team. So yung nagpo-push pa sa amin lalo is yung men's team. So which is magandang training sa amin. So yun po.
How many members ng team?
10 po.
10. Okay.
Itong team, so only 4 are here, but actually you have a 10-player team.
Yes po.
Joanna,